So to get started, again, you just need a pencil, and you're just going to do a top line, which is just going to be the top of the eye, and it's just going to be almost like a semicircle, and then a little curve at the bottom here, which is going to be for the tear duct area. We'll just pencil that in. Do the lower lash line, and then circle. I'm going to do the iris on the inside. We are just going to leave just some white squares for now. They will kind of become reflections later on. Then we're just going to do a lower lash line. Then following the top, we're going to do the eyelid. Following the bottom line again, we're just going to create a little bit of an eye socket area at the bottom. And we're just going to go in with pen, go over all that line, work that we've done so far. Okay, so now that you've got that penned in, now to get into doing some extra detail. So before we go with any colour, I'm just going to get my pen and I'm just going to create some lines just coming out from that centre iris area. So just coming out like that. Every now and then they go all the way over, loop back, a few little ones like that. And just keep doing that all the way around. And then just do the same on the outer side. So we've got that in. Now we're just going to go in with creating some eyelashes. Okay, so now that we've got that basic eye shape in, I'm now going to go in with skin colour. So I am going to add a bit of skin colour. Now I'm just going to use, for the base, a milky white. Then we're going to use a toast and a raw silk. So the first colour I'm going to go in with is the milky white. Okay, so I'm just going to add a rough bit of colour in. Now with this raw silk, I'm going to create a little bit more definition. Now again with the darker brown, I'm just going to create a little more colour. Cocoa colour, just in that back half there. And then I'm just going to go in with a blush pink. Okay, so now we've got rough colours slotted in. Let's go in with the black for the iris. So just colour that in. This is the most therapeutic part when you're drawing it all in. It's like creating your own colouring in book. Just color away. Color, color, color. Now I'm going to do my eye blue, I think. You can do whatever color you would like. So let's keep our blues, our blacks to the side for a minute. So with the eye, I'm going to go in with a blue first, and I'm going to be using a soft greenish blue. For the top. I've just got around all that first. And then I'll fill it in with a powder blue, and then we'll work it up in layers to a dark blue. Just with your black, just going to create your eyeliner. So just starting from this inner corner, we're just going to go up. Now let's go around the outside of this eye. So now we're just going to create from here with the black, we're just going to create some little colours with some light going over those lines that we've done. So firstly I'm just going to colour all of it in. It's just in a brick white. Now here comes some shadowing. So I'm going to start off with my lightest shadow, which is a T2. So now this is the T3, so a bit of a darker grey. Now let's go into doing some lashes. I'm just going to fix up this little circle area, just give that a little bit more depth, just around the outside. Okay, so now doing the lashes, just go over that line work that you've done. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a little bit of a darker line again, just up close, this top lash line. So I'm just going to do some white highlighting. Now just in the eye area, before we move any further, what I am going to do is, just with my pen, I'm just going to add some reflections into the eye area itself. Okay, now I'm just going to, with this white, add a little bit of a reflection because the light is coming in, we're going to create some shadows. And then just finally do last finishing touches. And just sign it. And there you have it, guys. A fun, fashion inspired eye in colour. I think it looks super cool. Now guys, with this illustration, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment, because I'll be choosing someone from the comments who has liked and subscribed to this channel, and they will be sent this original illustration in the mail. So all you need to do is like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will be choosing a comment from the comment section and will be sending this to that lucky winner. So can't wait to see who wins this original illustration, and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see in the next. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and can't wait until the next video. Okay guys, talk to you soon. Bye.